we've already got the electronics on with right shift L, which you have to do first. Got the payload loaded, as we can double check from outside. And time to start the engines. And not only can you turn each one on individually with right alt and home for the left, control left and home for the right, but if you hit right shift and home, it will turn on both engines. It actually turns the left one on first and then starts the right one. Another extremely unrealistic loadout, but we're practicing and showing how to use things. Okay, number 7, and we have the Mark 20s, the Mark 82s, Mark 82s Air, and the Mark 84s on this run. We'll come back in a minute and we'll start bombing. And we'll start with the Mark 20s in CCIP mode, and hopefully we make it. They're coming up on them soon. Yeah, here they are. Alright, this time we're going to try to do a steeper angle. And try to stay safe this time. Last time we weren't very successful. I'll put a video up here and show you why. Come on, man. Here we are. Get ready to pull up. Oh, they're shooting at us. Well, let's see if we can do a better job this time. Because we did not do well last time. Not at all. Not at all. We may have a better chance this time. I hope. Run, 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 run. Hey! We can get much. Oh, there we go. We got something though. You'll learn that you love it. You love it. Do that kind of stuff. Just flipping and turning. Alright. Once again, we get to hit F7 again. There's our next ones. You can cycle. There's the air ones this time. Alright, we're going to try CCRP this time for the last two. Hopefully we'll do better with CCRP mode. Hopefully. Alright, let's get our designator down here. Should be somewhere around there. There they are. Hopefully we'll put it in a good spot. Mark it. Hit the O key. And fly straight. Well, it comes down the line. The little square at the top comes down the line. It'll release automatically at the bottom of the fall line, drop line. You also probably don't want to do this with AAA or anything because it'll shoot you out of the sky. AAA or Sands. Hopefully we'll do a better job with this than we did the other things. Oops, I'm getting off a little bit. They released autopilot. We'll follow them to the ground. Oh shoot, we're gonna miss the targets. Well, that suck. Well, that got absolutely nothing. Oh well. Wow, so far I haven't hit anything. I might have the labels too big. Come on, there's a bunch of like buildings and stuff over here somewhere. Alright. Target designate. Ground stabilize. O key. Fly over to where the square will drop down the line. Come on, let's hit something this time, please. Please, let's hit something. Please. Something. Hit something. At least blow up one thing. God, we're going to miss again. Well, obviously there was some infantry there. Yeah, we did get something. We got a few items on the other thing, but not much. Anyway, that's all of them. We're out of ammo. Even though I sucked at aiming and stuff, at least you should know how to do it. Hope you have better luck than I did. See ya. Before you come to the bottom. Come on, baby. Come on there at the bottom. Come on. Ooh, it damaged us. Oh, we got too close. Oh, that's a failure. Look, it got our tail. Holy moly.